Judge rejects DOJ bid to hold Trump team in contempt over classified docs, reports. According to multiple reports, a federal judge denied a request made by the Justice Department on Friday to hold members of former President Donald Trump's legal team or the ex-president himself in contempt of court for allegedly not turning over classified documents from his time in the White House. The allegations in the Justice Department's request stem from the fact that Trump allegedly failed to turn over the documents during his time in office. According to ABC News, at the conclusion of a hearing that took place behind closed doors on Friday afternoon and lasted for more than an hour, Chief Judge Beryl Howell of the D.C. District Court instructed Trump's lawyers and the Department of Justice to settle the matter among themselves. The Department of Justice wanted to file a charge of contempt against Trump, who is 76 years old, as well as his attorneys, because they allegedly did to comply with a subpoena issued in May, which demanded that sensitive documents be given to the federal government. The president and his counsel will continue to be transparent and cooperative, even in the face of the highly weaponized and corrupt witch hunt from the Department of Justice, Trump spokesman Stephen Chung said in a statement released on Friday. The Department of Justice is conducting its investigation in a highly corrupt and improper manner, Chung added. If the Department of Justice can go after President Trump, they will undoubtedly come after any American who they disagree with, he continued. If the Department of Justice can go after President Trump, they will surely come after any American. President Trump is the only person who can stop the un-American trend of law enforcement agencies arming themselves, said one commentator. According to recent reports, legal representatives for President Trump have recently increased their attempts to collect any outstanding confidential documents. According to various reports that surfaced earlier this week, the crew working for Trump discovered at least 2 documents that were tagged as classified while examining a storage facility in West Palm Beach, Florida, before the end of last month. After some time, such documents were turned over to the FBI. However, according to a report that was published by the Washington Post on Thursday, one of the primary points of contention between the Department of Justice and lawyers for Trump continues to be the former president's legal team's refusal to designate a custodian of records in order to attest that all classified materials have been returned to the National Archives. The Department of Justice is looking into whether former President Trump breached the law by keeping U.S. government papers, some of which were labeled as top secret, after he left office. According to reports, the government has apparently located hundreds of sensitive documents that Trump kept after he ceased to hold the office of president in January of 2021.